So long story short, this buffing machine, which is not intended to be a sander, it's a car buffer, worked out perfect with those big sanding discs to be an orbital sander now. I wanted an orbital sander bigger than the 5 or 6 inch, so I bought these PSA, pressure sensitive adhesive cloth back sanding disc set from Harbor Freight. Super cheap. Heavy duty cloth backing, and includes 60 grit, 80 and 100, fits any 10-inch disc sander. So you rip this little sheet off on the back and you put it on your car buffer sander for sanding large surfaces like this, or a deck, which what I'm going to use it for is for sanding my deck. But it would work great for something like this too. But it fits on there perfectly. And that's just your basic Craftsman orbital sander. Work on pretty much any of them that are 10-inch. So we've got some old deck boards right here. These have been power washed. These haven't. And now we're going to try the sander on them. That's a success. I'm gonna call that a big win for the orbital sander. Huge sanding disc. Biggest orbital sander you'll get. There's my tip for sanding quick and easy. They were 2x6s. I'm sure it'd be covering a lot more even when they're uneven. This foam backing will let you get in between each one of the boards. But that's a 60 grit, and that was barely on there for a second. These things look brand new again, and these are like 30 years old. Actually, I didn't even pay for this. I got this amazing free deal with somebody was giving away a bunch of stuff at a yard sale, and I actually got this. They wanted 20 bucks for it, but they ended up giving it away for free with some tile cutters and other stuff. So here we go. Let's try it out. Here's the surface. Looks like a piece of plywood. That's 60 grit. That's a little hoppy, but I'll tell you what, that stuff didn't come off one bit. It's hanging right in there. It's really rough for the surface, but I'm sure if I had a finish, it would be a lot better. But you can see there, it's definitely cleaned it up, so it does work. Well, anyway, that's how it works. If you ever wanted to try it, I've never tried it before, but I imagine could experiment around with some different size grits. Results may vary, but definitely is sticking on there and it's working.